Go High Level for Dentist tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Go High Level for Dentist. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Go High Level, you can also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is GoHighLevel, it is an all-in-one marketing platform designed primarily for agencies and small businesses, in which it offers a comprehensive suite of tools that streamline various aspects of customer relationship management, marketing automation, and sales processes. And the key features include customizable sales funnel, email, and SMS marketing, appointment scheduling, and a robust dashboard for tracking performance metrics. And aside from that, GoHighLevel also integrates seamlessly with other platforms, allowing users to consolidate their marketing efforts in one place. So now to create an account, just click the link in the description, or you could also click the 30-day free trial button in here. And after that, you need to sign in your account, and after signing in, you will be able to be directed on this page right here. And as you can see on this left side panel, some of the options that you can start navigating. But to proceed adding an account for dentists, just click the sub accounts button right here on the left side panel, and after clicking on it, just simply click add sub account button on the top right corner. And after that, you need to fill out all of the required information, including the location and other details in here. However, since I'm just using a free account and I'm already created my account for dentists or dental services in here, I'm no longer be able to create another sub accounts in here. But since I've already created one, I'm going to choose this one, which is Land Dental Services, by clicking switch to sub account button, and upon clicking on it, we'll automatically be directed on this page right here. And as you can see, we're currently under the dashboard, where you can start tracking here the opportunity status, opportunity value, Google Analytics report, and many more. And if you also want to connect your Facebook, just click this launchpad button on the left side panel, where you can start connecting here your Facebook account, your Google business profile, and many more. And even you integrate your WhatsApp application or account in here. And also to create a website for dentists, just click the sites button on the left side panel, and on the top panel in here, you simply click the website option. And upon clicking on it, it will show you the list of the website that you've now been created. And to create a new one, just click the plus new website button on the top right corner. And in this pop-up window, just simply choose from templates. And after that, you will be able to see a variety of templates that you can choose from. But since we're trying to make a website for dentists, you can start searching on the search bar in here, dental service, or dentist in here. And below it will show us the results, so kind of click on it if you want to select this one, and just click the continue button on the top right corner to proceed. Then all you need to do is wait for it to load until the template is now currently added in here. Now on this page, we can start customizing this website, such as this context in here. And it will show us on here on the right side panel the editing tools, such as the animation, general, advanced, and also on the top panel, different kind of pages in here that we can navigate and also customize. You could also navigate here below. Please scroll down to change our email, our number in here, office, location, and many more. And if you're now done, just click the save button or the publish button on the top right corner to save the changes. But going back on this page, you would also create a chat widget by clicking this chat widget on the top panel, in which it can significantly benefit dental practices by enhancing patient communication engagement. So to create one, just click the plus 2 button on the top right corner in here, and it will show you the option to choose live chat, WhatsApp, or SMS. But I'm going to choose the live chat, and upon clicking on it, you will automatically be directed on this page, where you can start changing or customizing the widget, including the style of it, the widget customization, and it will show you on the right side panel button right here what it looks like. And aside from that, on the left side panel, you could also start customizing the other things, including this welcome message in here and many more. And if you're now done customizing the chat widget, you can now click the save button on the top right corner to save the changes. But going back on this page right here, you could also create the funnels, in which it will provide dentists with a robust funneling building feature that is essential for optimizing patient acquisition and engagement. So just simply choose here the template library and customize it the way we customize the website. Moving on the left side panel, we could also navigate here some other things that are important for dentists, such as these conversations, which is designed to enhance communication for dental practices, and this tool facilitates seamless interactions between dentists and their patients. Now moving on, we could also navigate these calendars in here that provides a robust calendar and appointment and management system specifically designed to meet the needs of dental practices. And the patient could also book an appointment in here, or we can do it manually by filling out all of this required information to start booking an appointment. Now moving on, aside from calendar, we could also navigate these opportunities and contacts, but by clicking this opportunities button right here. This feature offers a range of opportunities specifically tailored for dental practices, enhancing both operational efficiency and patient engagement. You could also create here these pipelines by simply filling out all of this required information on this pop-up window. Now moving on, you could also navigate below on the left side panel this marketing option, in which it offers a comprehensive suite of marketing options specifically designed for dental practices, enabling them to enhance patient acquisition and retention effectively. And from here, you could also create a snippets or email snippets depending on your preferences. Now moving on, aside from marketing, you could also navigate this automation, in which by leveraging these automation features, dental practices can streamline the operations, improve patient communication, and focus more on providing quality care rather than getting bogged down by administrative tasks. So you can start creating here workflows or even navigate this content AI. And aside from that, you could also see here that you can start navigating some other options, including the reputation, membership, and even this media storage, which might help a dentist for their dental services operation. Well, for this reputation option in here, we could also send a review request by clicking on it. Just simply fill out all of this required information for the client to send a review of their experiences upon receiving the services that we provide, specifically about the dental services. You could also navigate on the left side panel this reporting and also the settings option. It will show you a variety of subcategory or options in here, including conversation AI, and you could navigate here also your business profile settings and many more. So basically, GoHighLevel is a powerful all-in-one platform tailored for dental practices, designed to streamline operations and enhance patient care, in which it combines customer relationship management, also known as CRM, marketing automation, and appointment scheduling into a single interface, which help dentists manage their practices more efficiently. So that is just basically how you can start using GoHighLevel for dentists. Thank you.